it has started, the spring cleaning. You don't want to see the room behind me. There are boxes everywhere, but it's getting better. I think that I bagged up a baker's dozen, 13 bags of books that we're going to donate. I've read most of them. There are a lot of good books in there. I enjoyed reading them, but it's time to donate them so somebody else can enjoy them. And I think that I threw out just as many bags of trash already today. I'm organizing, I'm cleaning out, I'm sorting out so that I can enjoy my art this summer. I like to create, and sometimes when you create, you make a mess. I try to clean up my messes, but sometimes things just get put here and there and there and here, and it just comes to a time to start cleaning. And so that's what I'm doing. And yeah, that's all I have to say about that. I will see you tomorrow morning.